You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the name of this municipality or town? Maybe village, I think it's a town in Switzerland in the canton of Vaud. So they speak French in this part of Switzerland, and in French it is said as Château-d'Oex. Château-d'Oex. Yeah, I know it's a curious spelling for such a pronunciation, but it's French, so that's just the way it is. Château-d'Oex. So in English you can say it as Château-d'Oex. Yeah, Château-d'Oex. That works. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.